Hello, hello. Here is another video for today. Okay. Basically, what's happening? What I saw yesterday, the payout of yesterday is that it did come to my H4 order block. This was my H4 order block. Liquidity, there was a change of character. Now I do not know what might happen here, but I'm expecting that it goes to the fair value gap. Then from there, maybe we might see an uprise. But if we see prices coming all the way down here, below here, then we are still in a short position. We're still selling according to a bigger time frame. Yeah, so let me just show you how I managed to enter the trade. I think it was a 15-minute time frame. No, actually, it was a 5-minute time frame. So yesterday, this is what I was thinking would happen on Euro USD. This is what I was thinking would happen. I thought it would come to the fair value gap, then hit the highs, right? Yeah. Of which it didn't do that. It didn't do that. What it did it was, let me just move this to the side. What it did was, it broke out of this zone, then hit the H4. Um, Hit the H4 level, the demand zone on H4, then came down, right? Yeah. So the next thing that you probably could have gotten was a change of character right over here, then a retest over there and to the downside. But because there was news around this area, so the trade didn't actually manage to get all the way to that area. So it just shut down because there was, I think it's German news flash PMI. Yeah, Germany flash PMI, which came down, which put the market down immediately. Then from there, uh, market just started trending all the way down to this level. So you can see there was bear ass here. So hence I thought it would actually go up, but that didn't happen. So when I saw that happening, what I did is I scaled it down to the F5 time frame to look for a good bias. Now on the M5 time frame, I saw that it broke out of that structure, came back down to this item, came up, then from there was to come down. So I looked at this candle, I saw it go up and come down, and I saw it close bearish after it hit the H4 demand area. Then I entered my trades from there with my stop loss above that high over there, which was a 10 pip stop loss, right? Which is quite fair. So I entered my position there. My first take profit was on this low. That is where my first take profit was. But I'd already protected my position when the market got here. Protected my second take profit, and my last take profit was on this low as well. So this lows over here were my take profits, and the market actually did come and hit those take profits, as you can see. So yeah, that's what there was on this trade. That's how I took it, and I'm very happy about it. I'm very excited about it. I learned a lot from this trade. It taught me a whole lot of things on that trade. So yeah, ciao, and see you on the next video. Or actually, no, before we can go to the next video, let's look at other pairs like GBP, because I was also trading GBP. I didn't open positions on GBP, but I was just looking at GBP. Okay, yeah. So this is what we had on GBP. So on GBP, it was the same thing that I was looking at. Um, the best entry price could have been this here. That could have been the best entry price at the 50% retracement, right? Yeah. So still the same way. Anyways, if I to put it this way, let's just use that way. 50% retracement. That was a good entry point towards the downside, taking a profit right over here. It wouldn't have take profit yet, but taking profits here or even down here. Some of your take profits should be down here or here or here. So yeah, that's what there is, that's what there was, and this was my analysis way back on GPUSD that this would happen, and it didn't reach exactly there, but it actually did come all the way through and come down, and it did actually give us a good thing to enter from. Look at that, we had a change of character over here. Then after that, we just look for the 50% demand area, which was this area, or even the 61.8, which is over here. So you see it getting here. You see a candlestick, reversal candlestick happening over here, which is this engulfing candle over here. Then from there, you get that. It goes up, you enter from this area here. Then from there, you're going down with it. See, on the 5 minute, on the 1 minute, you can even check it out. It will actually give you a clearer entry over there because it will be a change of character and all that, blah, blah, blah. So it will come all the way down. So you actually had an opportunity to actually enter most of these trades over here, especially on the GBP USD. And let us look at the gold. What was happening on gold? M5 gold yesterday. So we had kind of like a head and shoulder pattern, kind of like Quasimodo pattern, with an entry over here to the downside, taking a profit over here. But I wasn't looking at gold much as it was buying. And yeah, we could see some bullish momentum because of the war happening in Israel and the war happening in Ukraine and different fundamentals that are influencing for gold to actually push higher and higher and higher as most investors are actually taking their funds or their investments to a secure asset or a secure commodity, which is gold. So we could see that happening as well. So let's be careful, and we'll see how it actually pans out. And as you can see, it's breaking structure going up, breaking structure going up, breaking structure coming back. It's just going up, correction, up, correction. So next move we're waiting for is probably up towards the $2,000 mark, towards the 2000s over here. Looking at the last year's high of some sort, yeah. So yeah, that's what we'll be that's what we're looking at, and that's what we've been seeing on the three pairs that I usually trade, which is the Euro USD, the GBP USD, and the Zhao USD. Yes, so that's what there is, and thank you very much for watching this video. Subscribe to my YouTube channel and everything, and support me and support yourself as well by learning these items. There are also lessons on my YouTube channel which you can actually find. Thank you, and see you in the next video.